last video on KPI tracking in startup collaboration.
Since the last video, I hope you already successfully implemented the POC. So now it's all about the rollout and entering into long-term collaboration with the startup.
So let's see what usually happens after the POC. Hey!
Hey, how did everything go?
It went so well. I'm so excited. Wow. They really loved our product and they said they really want to push it now, like they want to put focus on it. So I believe we absolutely have to put on more resources, hire more people, so we are ready to execute next week.
Oh wow, that's wonderful!
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yeah, it worked pretty well. I have to say we have to tweak a few things here and there and talk to legal and IT because I'm not sure about the servers that they mentioned, if they're really in Europe or in the US. So we definitely have to involve them. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So, and then, we have to talk about the budget. I think the next board meeting is coming up next quarter, so we should definitely get a spot there to, first discuss budgets for this project. And also the discounted cash flow statement that they sent. I think we have to do some recalculations for the next 5 years. So let's see how that goes. Yeah.
You see why startup collaboration can be sometimes a bit difficult? Let me give you some tips how you can be successful. Tip number 1. The first thing you want to do is set up the right expectation according timeline and processes. After successful POC, it can still take a bit of time for internal processes and decisions. So you want to make sure that you communicate that with your startup transparently from the beginning.
Tip number 2. Onboard the process partners like legal and IT early on in the POC process to make sure that afterwards you have very fast all the documents and contracts needed to do the rollout.
Tip number 3. Make sure you define and communicate clear KPIs and goals to all stakeholders involved. That's a wrap. That's the end of our video series. 4 episodes of startup collaboration.
As you see, we had a lot of fun producing those videos and we hope you also liked the content and also spending some time with us. We're still curious to get your feedback, and if you have any other ideas for content or future fun videos, then just let us know.
We are looking forward to talking to you soon.